Hello, my dear friends. I see that more and more of you downloading my free chart for threads, needles and fabric correlation. If you have any questions, of course, ask me. But please remember that I also providing a free online consultation, initial consultation for everyone who is learning to sew or who want to improve their sewing skills or pattern making skills. So please don't hesitate to sign up too. The questions you may ask are very different. For example, if you already have some sewing experience and you want to learn how to make garments, how to make clothing, you can ask, for example, where to start, which garments it is better to make first, and which patterns to use, how to read those patterns, how to build my learning process from the level where I am now to the level where I want to be, let's say, like in 6 months. Another questions you may ask, how to improve my stitching quality, how to make my machine to sew with a good quality different fabrics, different projects or different garments, or why my sewing machine constantly breaks threads or needles, or why with the different fabrics, especially the knit fabric, I have trouble with the bobbin threads, for example. You can also ask questions if you just want to learn to sew, like I'm brand new, for example, and I want to learn to sew, so which sewing machine to use, where to start, to bring my level from the zero level to the level where I will be able, let's say, to stitch not garments but different accessories, let's say bags. For example, it's a very good project for beginners. And then to proceed to the next level. So any questions you may have with your sewing process, with the learning sewing, you can ask during a free consultation. I will leave link in the description to this video, and also you can go to my website, Gem Sewing Academy, and click the button with the free consultation and sign up for consultation. There will be some you can ask during a free consultation. I will leave link in the description to this video, and also you can go to my website, Gem Sewing Academy, and click the button with the free consultation and sign up for a consultation. There will be some questionnaire, like a form you will fill in about your experience, and we will set up a time. So I'm really looking forward to help you to learn sewing in the most efficient way, and also like hassle-free, so you can achieve your goal faster and more efficient, more effective. And at least even if you don't want to learn it, let's say, very intense way, you will at least have a schedule for you what to do in the next, let's say, 3, 4 or 6 months. So you will be you will have this peace of mind what to do and which step you need to take. Okay, so it's just a quick note for you. I'm wishing you good luck with your sewing project, and happy holidays, and looking forward to see you and help you in your sewing project. Bye for now.